How to make Sabudana Khichdi. Fasting or feasting? Sabudana Khichdi is always a good idea. Here's my go-to recipe that turns out perfect every time. Here's what you'll need. Soaked sabudana, crushed peanuts, cumin seeds, salt, chopped potatoes, curry leaves, green chillies, and some oil for cooking. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, mix the soaked sabudana with crushed peanuts and a little salt. Set the mixture aside. Now heat some oil in a pan. Once hot, add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Next, add curry leaves and let them turn crisp. Add green chilies and stir for few seconds. Now add chopped potatoes and a pinch of salt. Mix well, cover and cook until the potatoes are soft and cooked through. Once the potatoes are ready, add the sabudana peanut mixture. Mix everything gently but well. Cover the pan and let it cook on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Open the lid, give it one final mix. Once the sabudana turns transparent, it's perfectly cooked. Your light, tasty and comforting sabudana khichdi is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Bye.